Hello viewers, welcome back to another section of my YouTube videos. In this video we are going to tackle voltage drop. When you see a voltage drop, what's a voltage drop? Whenever current is passing through a circuit, it flows through the elements in the circuit. So let's see, I have a circuit here and I have a source here. This is my voltage source Vs. There is an element which is a resistor, and I also have an element, maybe a bulb. Then I also have another resistor, maybe somewhere here. Then I'll close it. When this total voltage is moving through the circuit, the total voltage upon reaching here will reduce. There is an obstacle here. The obstacle has a resistance. Hence, when the voltage is passing through, or when this voltage here, what it's doing is a supply current. That is the source voltage. It's only supply current. So the total voltage is Vs. But when a current is flowing through these elements, there will be a voltage drop here. So since there is an internal resistance here, a voltage will be created here as V1. Another voltage will be created here V2. Another voltage will be created here V3. So the sum of all the voltage drops in the elements of the circuit will be equal to the total voltage V1, V2, V3. This is the concept of voltage drop. So when you have a total voltage, is equal to the sum of the voltage drops across each element, and this obeys the Kirchhoff's loop's law. The total energy is constant. So the voltage drop across this will sum up to this plus this one, and that is the application of voltage drop. So assuming I have a resistor where I have a voltage source, I have resistor 1 and I have resistor 2, and this connecting to this. So you realize that the current is coming, but there will be voltage of R1, voltage of R2, and Vs will be equal to the voltage drop across R1 and the voltage drop across R2. Let's take a problem and solve and see how we can apply the voltage drop. So determine the values of I and R in the circuit below. So there's a circuit. I have a 10 volts here. It maps to two resistors, and this is equal to, I have my I, current I, going into my 4, sorry, this is my R. So this place is R, and this is 4 volts, and this is 3 ohm. This 4 volts is the voltage drop across this side. The question is, find the value of I and this R. How do we solve this? The total voltage here is equal to the voltage drops across this and this. Hence 10 is equal to 4 volts plus the voltage drop, which I don't know here. So let me say V1. Hence 4 minus 10, my V1 will be 6 volts. Then I'll get to know that this place is 6 volts. The current passing through I, how do I get it? We know that since they are series connection, the same current will flow through them. Hence, I will be equal to voltage over resistance. And I know the voltage of this, I know the resistance. So this 6 on 3, and that is 2 amperes. So 2 amperes is flowing through all this. Now I know my I can find my R here, because 2 amperes is now flowing through a 4 volts, and I don't know the resistance. So the resistance is simply equal to 4 over 2, and that is also going to give me 2 ohms. And that is simple voltage drop application. Thank you.